Yeah, I mean, she's compacted pretty good, but I'd like to clean it.
Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back and welcome to any new viewers we have. This is part 2, the completion of this. It's actually like a 3 or a 4-part project, but anyways, it's a new ditch crossing. The ditch was like 20 feet across and about 7 feet deep. So I need to get enough fill in here to make that crossing smooth all the way across with a new culvert pipe. But the landowner also wants on the upside to build like a bonus watering hole. Well, you're going to see here I needed so much dirt, we're going to end up actually cutting 2 new watering holes, but that's okay because the one that I built here not far from this location, the deer are using like crazy. And this is also going to create a fantastic deer funnel. So it's a little longer than normal. Let me know if you enjoy that. Don't forget, please hit the like button and share our content to help us grow our channel because we enjoy it and we want to bring more people on board with us. So let's get into the completion of this multifaceted project. Thank you.
Alright, now I'm peeling. I got about a 3 or 4 foot base underneath me, and I gotta peel this ramp down because it's much higher on one side than the other. Right now we're sitting in the bottom of the ditch right here, the false bottom that I created. I think this one tree's gonna have to go yet over here. Wasn't here on the left. I can't put any more dirt over there. I'm at a steep bank on the backside. Check back in. Alright, now I'm up on top on the high side, peeling a few foot off, but see that root, I gotta be careful. I don't want to can't get too deep with this big tree here. This down. All right, we got the pipe in place. What do you say, Curtis?
It's coming along. That's for sure. Still got a lot of dirt to move.
I know. We're running out of dirt fast to get a good covering over this pipe.
May have to end up digging another watering hole just
Yeah, I know. Dig another borrow pit water hole, but then you got to move it and get it over here. I got a little more I could scab from here.
Well, there's a possible place right there and make a hill and just make a dam.
Right, yeah,
Right there,
where
like
that
a
ditch
runoff.
is. Yeah,
It's
maybe.
already natural runoff anyway.
All right, we got the pipe laid down. Got to steal some more dirt. Got a little hump right here. I could use crappy dirt now. I tried to stick with mostly clay. So a few roots and stuff ain't gonna be quite as bad up here on top of the pipe. Definitely end up with a new little watering hole. We still need a lot more dirt, at least on this side, and the other side I'll probably end up doing the same thing so I can get a nice ramp. But we're getting closer.
Kapper's digging a bonus watering hole to get the dirt to fill in this culvert.
All right, the clay is just getting too wet. All that stuff I had to dig out of there, that low is really, really wet. Chopper. Curtis with the test run. Nice. I almost can't walk on it. It's still tacky. So I had to. I couldn't quite fill the pipe all the way because of this big oak tree right here. Man, she's a little squishy, huh?
Yeah, I was spinning a little bit.
I know. I can't really play with it much more. I mean, it's compacted pretty good, but it is just squishy. And this upside watering hole should be probably 5 foot deep or so. And there's no telling how far back it's going to go. That's the plan anyways. Yeah, I mean, she's compacted pretty good, but I'd like to clean it just a little more, but nice.